This is exactly why ADA Cardano will reach $10 sooner than you think. Insane Cardano ADA secret. The price of Cardano has been rising while the broader cryptocurrency market continues to fall, making the fledgling asset a lone bright spot among digital coins and tokens. Today we're going to talk all about why Cardano will reach $10 and why it will outperform Bitcoin in 2022. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 15th of February, shall we? The overall trend for the Cardano ADA price is bearish, and the long-coming descending bolsters a similar opinion. After last week's relief rally failed to overcome the $1.2 resistance, the ADA price turned down and tumbled 15% to the $1 support. Can bulls make a meaningful recovery, or will they lose the $1 mark? After 2 weeks of consolidation above the $1 support, the ADA price bounced back amid the recent recovery in the crypto market. The altcoin soared 17% and challenged the immediate resistance of $1.2. However, the higher price rejection at this level indicated the intense selling pressure from the bears, which reverted the altcoin to the bottom support at $1. Due to the recent retracement, the relative strength index slope slips below the middle line and 14 SMA, indicating the bears have the upper hand. The downsloping 20, 50, and 100 DMA accentuates the bears' domination. Moreover, the 50 DMA line acts as dynamic resistance to the downtrend. Now let's get back to the topic. The catalyst for Cardano right now appears to be the fact that the cryptocurrency has hit several key milestones in recent weeks. ADA-USD has exceeded the 20 million transaction mark with no downtime in over 1,500 days of operation. And Cardano is also now held in more than 1 million digital wallets worldwide. Both of these achievements are significant and have helped the price recover from its autumn sell-off. Also key has been the launch of the rewards token ADA Cash last month, which reached a market capitalization of $30 million and more than 10,000 holders less than a month after its debut. The successful launch of ADA Cash provides momentum to Cardano. However, developers are not stopping when it comes to new projects related to the ADA-USD blockchain, which is billed as a third-generation blockchain after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Developers are coming up with new projects that include a non-fungible token marketplace and an exchange for decentralized finance transactions. While these projects will take time to come to market, they underscore the utility and function of the Cardano blockchain and position ADA-USD for future growth. Hydra Upgrade. An additional upcoming catalyst for Cardano is the Hydra upgrade that is expected to take place later this year and will dramatically improve the processing time for transactions on the ADA-USD blockchain. The faster speeds will make Cardano even more useful when it comes to decentralized finance as well as smart contracts. It's important to note that Cardano operates on a proof-of-stake concept that is much more energy efficient and better for the environment than the proof-of-work concept that Bitcoin and Ethereum run on. The high rate of energy consumption is a major knock on most other cryptocurrencies and the sector in general. Another unique feature of Cardano is that the cryptocurrency has a dedicated team of developers behind it, led by former Ethereum mastermind Charles Hoskinson, and any upgrades to ADA-USD's network are peer-reviewed before they're implemented. This combination of rigor and environmental sustainability makes Cardano the ideal digital asset for socially conscious investors. Going forward, the prominence of ADA-USD is only expected to grow. Some analysts have even forecasted that Cardano will eventually surpass Ethereum as the leading blockchain technology for decentralized finance and smart contracts, as well as NFTs. Bet on Cardano's future. Cardano has a lot working in its favor, and its price is responding. Many people who intimately understand the world of digital coins and tokens see ADA-USD as the future of the sector and expect it to eventually rival and ultimately replace larger cryptos such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. Cardano is where cryptocurrencies are headed, not where they've been. The fact that ADA-USD is more energy efficient and superior when it comes to facilitating DeFi transactions and smart contracts makes it one of the more useful digital tokens, and an attractive option for investors who want exposure to cryptocurrencies that haven't run up to exorbitant prices. While all cryptocurrencies are risky investments, Cardano is worth a small position. ADA-USD is a buy. Cardano versus Bitcoin. Which is the better investment? If you're weighing up Cardano versus Bitcoin as to which is the better investment opportunity, then there are several factors that you need to consider. Firstly, most cryptocurrency forecasts are modeled on previous price movements, So it's important to take a retrospective look at any bull or bear runs a token has experienced to try and ascertain what may have triggered them. Of course, technical analysis requires a great deal of industry and trading knowledge, so the best option for novice investors is to reference the price forecasts of some leading platforms. Finally, experts' opinions can sometimes shed light on what we can expect from cryptocurrencies in the near future. What the experts say. It's fair to say that Bitcoin has received a great deal of support from mainstream investors in 2021, not least from Elon Musk, whose firm Tesla announced that it had acquired around $1.5 billion of BTC as part of its new investment strategy. Musk isn't alone in his confidence in Bitcoin either. CEO of Heisenberg Capital, Max Kaiser, is one of a chorus of voices that includes founder of Morgan Creek Digital, Anthony Pompliano, and investor Alistair Milne, who all believe BTC will exceed $100,000 by the end of 2022. So what about Cardano? Well, when it comes to expert opinions, it's fairly obvious that there isn't really any competition between Bitcoin versus Cardano. Few mainstream financial experts have ventured any bold predictions on the latter. However, independent rating agency Weiss Ratings is optimistic about Cardano's future, having previously tweeted that it is one of the cheapest cryptos on the market, whilst also being one of the best projects in the industry. Similarly, altcoin daily host and crypto trader Austin Arnold believes the latest Goguen Mary update to Cardano's infrastructure is as a big a reason that the Cardano price is rising this month, and with more upgrades expected in the near future, it's possible ADA's price still has plenty of room to grow. That's all for today. In the end, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.